Welcome to the exciting world of hydroponics. If you've ever dreamed of fresh, homegrown lettuce without the mess of soil, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to cultivate crisp, delicious lettuce right in your home. You can grow hydroponic lettuce year-round, regardless of the outdoor climate. This provides a consistent supply of fresh greens, even in the depths of winter. It's also ideal for small spaces, like apartments, as systems can be quite compact. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a hydroponic system, which can be a simple DIY setup or a ready-made kit. Deep water culture, or DWC, is often recommended for beginners due to its simplicity. Next, you'll need a high-quality hydroponic nutrient solution specifically formulated for leafy greens. These come in liquid or powder form and provide all the essential minerals your lettuce needs to thrive. Always follow the mixing instructions carefully. Growing media is crucial for supporting your seedlings. Rockwool cubes are a popular choice for starting seeds in hydroponics. Other options include coco coir or net pots filled with inert media. Of course, you'll need lettuce seeds. Choose varieties known to do well in hydroponics, such as romaine, butterhead, or loose leaf types. A pH testing kit is also essential for monitoring your nutrient solution's acidity. Finally, if you're growing indoors without ample natural light, invest in a good quality grow light, LED. Grow lights are energy efficient and effective for lettuce. A reliable water source, preferably filtered, completes your basic supply list. For beginners, the deep water culture system is highly recommended. It involves suspending plants in net pots with their roots submerged directly into a nutrient-rich water solution. This system is easy to set up and maintain. Another popular option is the nutrient film technique, or NFT. This system uses a thin film of nutrient solution flowing over the roots. While efficient, it can be slightly more complex for a first-time grower. Wick systems are passive and very simple, using a wick to draw nutrient solution up to the growing medium. They are great for very small-scale setups. Consider your available space, budget, and desired level of involvement when choosing. Germinating your lettuce seeds is the first step. Begin by soaking your Rockwool cubes in pH-balanced water for about an hour. This ensures they are fully hydrated and ready for planting. Place 1 or 2 lettuce seeds into the pre-drilled hole of each Rockwool cube. Lettuce seeds are tiny, so handle them gently. You can use tweezers for precision if needed. Keep the Rockwool cubes moist, but not waterlogged. A humidity dome or plastic wrap can help maintain consistent moisture and warmth. Place them in a warm spot, ideally around 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Lettuce seeds do not require light to germinate, but once they sprout, they will need light immediately. Provide gentle light from a grow light or a bright window. Seedlings typically emerge within 3-7 days. Before transplanting, thoroughly clean your hydroponic reservoir. Use a mild bleach solution or hydrogen peroxide, then rinse it completely. This prevents algae and pathogen growth. Next, prepare your nutrient solution according to the manufacturer's instructions. Always add nutrients to water, not the other way around. Stir well to ensure everything is fully dissolved. Now, it's time to check the pH of your solution. For lettuce, the ideal pH range is between 5.5 and 6.5. Use your pH testing kit to measure the current level. If the pH is too high or too low, use pH up or pH down solutions to adjust it. Make small adjustments and retest until you reach the optimal range. Maintaining the correct pH is crucial for nutrient absorption. Your lettuce seedlings are ready for transplanting when they have developed their first set of true leaves. These are the leaves that appear after the initial cotyledons. The roots should also be visible at the bottom of the Rockwool cube. Carefully place each Rockwool cube with its seedling into a net pot. Ensure the net pot is securely seated in your hydroponic system. The bottom of the net pot should be just touching or slightly submerged in the nutrient solution. This allows the roots to wick up the solution and eventually grow down into the reservoir. Avoid submerging the entire Rockwool cube, as this can lead to root rot. The goal is for the roots to seek out the water. Handle the seedlings by their leaves or Rockwool cube, not their delicate stems. This minimizes damage and stress to the young plants. Once transplanted, ensure they receive adequate light. Regular monitoring is key to a successful hydroponic garden. Check your water level daily and top it off with fresh, pH-adjusted water as needed. The nutrient solution will deplete over time. Every 2 weeks, completely drain and refill your reservoir with a fresh batch of nutrient solution. This prevents nutrient imbalances and buildup of undesirable elements. Always recheck the pH after refilling. Continue to monitor the pH of your solution every few days. Fluctuations can occur, and maintaining the ideal range ensures your lettuce can absorb nutrients efficiently. Adjust as necessary using pH up or pH down. Maintain an appropriate light cycle for your lettuce. Typically, 16 hours of light followed by 10 hours of darkness is ideal. Use a timer for consistency. Ensure good air circulation around your plants to prevent fungal issues. A small fan can be beneficial. Keep the room temperature between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius for optimal growth. Even with the best care, you might encounter some issues. Yellowing leaves can indicate a nutrient deficiency or incorrect pH. Check your pH first, then consider if your nutrient solution needs replenishing or adjusting. Algae growth in your reservoir is common but undesirable. It competes with your plants for nutrients. Ensure your reservoir is light-proof to prevent algae. If present, clean the reservoir thoroughly during your nutrient change. Root rot is a serious issue, often caused by insufficient oxygen or overwatering in DWC systems. Ensure your air stone is working effectively if you use one. Healthy roots should be white and firm. Pests are less common in indoor hydroponics but can still appear. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of aphids or fungus gnats. Address any infestations promptly with organic pest control methods. One of the most rewarding parts is harvesting your homegrown lettuce. Most lettuce varieties are ready for harvest in about 3-4 weeks after transplanting. Look for full, healthy leaves. You can use the cut and come again method for continuous harvests. Simply snip off the outer leaves, leaving the inner leaves to continue growing. This allows for multiple harvests from a single plant. Alternatively, you can harvest the entire plant by cutting it at the base. This is ideal if you need a large quantity of lettuce at once. Always use clean scissors or a knife for harvesting. After harvesting, rinse your lettuce thoroughly under cool water. Store it in a sealed bag or container in the refrigerator. Freshly harvested hydroponic lettuce will stay crisp for days.